Well, it's time for some smoked queso, and just like many of the ones that you see online, this is a recipe we've actually had for quite a few years over here at the Barbecue Lab. A friend of ours gave us this, and it's really pretty simple. We've got a full block of Velveeta that's cubed up over here. We have some cream cheese, a full block that's cubed up over here, as well as a can of Rotel. This is a pound of sausage with a medium onion inside, as well as probably about a quarter, would you say a quarter and a half of a red pepper?
Full pepper.
Oh, a full red pepper. And then a can of cream of mushroom soup. Now, all we did is we added a little spice. So we added a little bit of cumin here and a little bit of our adobo seasoning over here. We're gonna take this and stick it on the smoker, and we're gonna let it go for probably about 15, 20 minutes. Check in every 15 or 20 minutes at about 350, and we should be having some smoked queso here pretty soon. All right, here we are. It's been a 15-minute mark. We've got the Masterbuilt 24-inch pellet smoker. We're going right around, let's see, 350 is what we're shooting for. We're hovering right around there. So this is 15 minutes in. As you can see, looking nice and melty and gorgeous. All we're gonna do is go ahead and stir it up and let it keep on cooking. I'm trying to think of the questions that people might ask. One of them might be, did you drain the Rotel? A little bit. We didn't drain the whole can, but we drained some of it. Another one would be, did you drain all the grease off of the sausage? Not on this one. This is a really lean sausage that we're using for this, so it didn't need a lot of draining. A lot of times the sausage we'll get will be really, really, really extra juicy, and we'll need to drain some of that fat off. This one wasn't really the case though. Other than that, that's other questions. Post them down below, and we'll make sure we answer them. But this is where we sit. 15 minutes in, looking gorgeous. But let's put a little bit more smoke on it. Come back out and check another 10 or 15. All right, here we are at the half-hour mark. Queso's been on for about a half hour. Look at that bubbling up. Some good smoke on there. Yeah, I'd say we're pretty close to done. I'm gonna go ahead and let this roll. I think probably another, I don't know, 5 or 10 minutes, but I don't know that it needs to be up as high as it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this down a smidge so that we don't end up with burned queso. But yeah, I mean, that is some creamy smoked queso. Almost all of the cream cheese has been melted, not all of it yet. So I'm going to say it's not quite done, but I'm going to go ahead and turn it down a smidge. And let her keep rolling. So, that's been 350 for a half hour. I'm going to go ahead and turn this down from 350. Let's just go ahead and say 275 or so. And we'll let that go another 10-15 minutes, and we'll check back in. Good boy. Sit. Boy. Good boy. You want to help me with this video, Uno? All right, let's do it. All right, it has been 45 minutes. We turned the heat down a little bit so we wouldn't get too much burning. And there's what it looks like. We can see a little bit of, that cheese around the edge turning nice and brown. But we still have a gorgeous, gorgeous cheese queso dip here. Yeah, that's cool. We're smoking corn on the cob, so the kids like to put that on top of their nachos with some black beans too. Now, so here's the thing I would say. This smoked queso is going to be done for now. The consistency is right. It's had 45 minutes on the smoke. I'm good with that. Now, some people are going to say, hey, where's the jalapenos? And where are the poblano peppers? And where are the... Well, tonight we're making this for the family, and the kids are here. And since the kids are here, we want to make sure we're making something that they will eat. And this is something they will eat, and they will absolutely love it. But we're going to go ahead and leave out the jalapenos and some of that kind of stuff, since the kids are eating with us tonight. And I'm going to just go ahead and add that in my nachos when we make this. So I'll show you that when we get inside. But this is done. It's time to let it go ahead and go inside and rest for a few minutes. All right, so welcome to Saturday at the Barbecue Lab. We got the whole family out here, including the actual Barbecue Lab, Uno. But what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and do a taste test on this queso. All right, so Ethan, Addie, Mel, give it a shot. See what you guys think. Now remember,
low at first. It just came off the grill.
Yeah, we didn't put anything spicy in this. It's very kid friendly, right? No double dipping. Not on YouTube, at least.
Yum.
So what do you think?
Yummy. I'm going back for more.
What do you think, E? You don't have time to talk? You want to eat more? All right, I think it passes the test. Uh-oh. So good, you want to keep it on your shirt, huh? All right, well, that's it from the Barbecue Lab for today. This is Queso. Remember, go out there, have some fun, try this and experiment. You're going to love it. We'll see you next time.